As you can see, I got a lot more done, but some of it was off camera because the camera kept overheating in the sun. Got everything put in here. You got this valley cover gasket on, put the inlet manifold on, and one single bolt was stripped. I got the initial torque and then I went to do the second torque and it just kept spinning. So I have left the valley cover on and drilled it out, tapped it, put helicoil in. So now I'm going to pull these off, take the valley cover off, make sure I didn't get any shavings in here, which I don't think I did because I had it pretty nicely sealed off with this valley cover, and clean up the old sealant that I put on there and do it again. The engine is done and ready to go in. The inlet manifold will be taken off, for installation, but it's ready to go. Okay, today we're installing the engine, and as you can see here, it is complete. I just need to put the flywheel on, and so we're gonna transfer it from the stand to the hoist, the flywheel on, and then set it into the engine bay, which I just washed out. So let's get started. Alright, let's go this way. Towards me. Yeah, do you want to lower it some? I'll kind of enjoy it. I trust it. It's easy. I didn't tighten it. Ah, dang it. Well. We have got the engine in, we got the manifold on, intake manifold on. We got this power steering pump in, AC bracket. We're just going to finish putting everything else on the front. It's been a little bit challenging. Not really. It's been pretty easy. I've just got a little frustrated. We had to go get some food and drink and relax a little. All right. Damn, it holds a ton of oil. Heat in there. Relay's unplugged. Engine is in and assembled. We've added power steering fluid, coolant, well, that was a fail. New battery going in. Let's hope it was the battery. So the starter was bad, we found out, and that's why it was just clicking. Picked up a new starter, gonna install it, try again. First start, actually, this time, and I'm really nervous, but my fingers are crossed. And the fuse is in for the fuel, so everything should be set. Spark plugs are in, the ignition coil is plugged in, everything. Alright, let's go. Smoking. First fuel up, first drive. About to break the bank. First drive. It's a mess in here, but yeah, we're going down the road. I keep giving the engine some load to break in the rings, so I'll slow down and then put some load on it for a little bit, like this. Get into the meat of the power for a while and then slow it back down. Temps are looking good.